What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer back again, and we got some news. Cannabis sector is bubbling up. There's about to be some things happening. I just got this little quick clip for you. This is about the merger of Aphria and Tilray, guys. Check it out.
Still, even though those states, even some of those deep red states are when passed some sort of legal marijuana in some form, a lot of the members of the Senate are older and very conservative. If the Senate does stay Republican and we don't get legalization of marijuana, does that ruin the grand plan? What happens to the vision here?
Not at all. First of all, listen, consumers are voters and they want to be reelected. 68% of Americans say they want cannabis legalized, okay? In the U.S.
That's the CEO of Aphria, guys.
Of the U.S.
Smart man.
Some type of legalization.
First cannabis company to become profitable. Listen to him.
And with that, I think politicians got to listen to what, the consumers want, what the voters want, what the citizens want. And you know what, Sarah? We need legalization. Why? We need more tax dollars, to generate in this country here. And why should they allow the illicit market and the drug dealers to continue to sell cannabis into the market where the states get nothing from it? And you know what? Even if the U.S. does not legalize, we have the opportunity to grow our share in Canada to a 30% share, which is a major share of that market. Europe will legalize, and between our Portugal facilities and our Germany facilities, we'll have a big opportunity in Europe with our medical marijuana and recreational.
All right, guys, that's enough. They're working on legalization, but that's not even the story. The story here is the Aphria merger makes them the biggest cannabis company, really, I think, overall. Like, even the foot holding that they have on the entire world. They have dispensaries in Portugal, South America. That between Tilray and Aphria, they take up 30% of the Canadian weed market, basically, marijuana market, cannabis market, Mary Jane, whatever you want to call it. Aphria is dominating. They're to me becoming the number one company in the sector, sitting at a market cap of 2.20 billion, and you still have to add Tilray's market cap to that too. So I think together combined, they're like at 6 billion. So nothing here. Check this comment out, because this is very true when it comes to cannabis sector. Aphria and Tilray near merger. Gap up tomorrow. Congrats if you had the balls to hold this stock, because I made 3,000 off of ACB not so long ago, but I had to hold that thing for a year. So he knows what he's talking about. So, guys, here we are, Aphria. Let's see what it looks like on the month chart. This is a long-term view. All right. I apologize. This video is a no face, no case video. I had a messy hair. The house is messy, but I'm not going to let nothing stop me from delivering this information to the world that y'all need to know when y'all need to know it. But here is the month chart of Aphria. And what can we see here? Let's see. Started back in March 2nd, 2015. What did it start at? Ooh, this is when everybody's dream. If you wanted to come in the beginning of Aphria over here, March 2nd, 2015, I got in it for 73 cents. That's a come up. But I ran like every single other marijuana stock all the way up to a peak around January 2nd, 2018. That was the peak of this stock right here. The highest Aphria ever been is at $19.58. I feel like it's definitely going to break that now. All right, so let's just sit back, relax, and watch. It got a green dot on the month over here, 1st of May, and you've seen what's happened thus far. I've been running. So it hasn't even hit the first resistance line. Aphria should be really actually sitting around $10.20. So it's actually still at a discount. And the highest they have marked here as the 5th resistant line is $23.78. So, whew, we got ways to go. We got percentages to gain. And year 2021 is going to be a great year. I have a feeling I'm going to make double the money I made this year. So that's not nothing light. Week chart looks like it's about to cool down. Actually, it has been cooling down. That's why I bought into the position before the merger. I got lucky, bought it one day before the merger, the night before. But you see this red dot on the 8th of December. So yeah, it's cooling off. It was cooling off. But now this presents a great time to buy because of everything it's doing. Aphria just had a deal with Sweetwater. They just bought Sweetwater, which is a U.S. company, and Tilray also bought a different U.S. company with that has hemp products. So either way, they have a footing in the U.S. So something to be messed with, something that you have to look at and possibly buy once you do your research and feel like I'm here to tell you that they have the best product. Quality always wins. They've gotten #1 in vapes, #1 in pre-rolls. So do your research because Aphria is killing it out here. But 30-minute chart. This is concentrated right now. So this is what you would look at in order to open your position, in order to enter this, to see when you should buy in order to ride it up. And I've been buying shares. My average share price is sitting a little bit under $8. So let's just say it's $8 for now until I make an update because I'm going to continue to buy it and continue to lower that actually. So I think I bought over here, honestly, because it did go down. I bought at $8 over here. No, I bought over here actually when it dropped. So I seen it drop all of this and I was like, ooh, $8. I want in. Bought 100 shares, bought more shares down here somewhere. So I'm going to keep averaging out because as you can see here, you got a green dot, got faked out. This is the very definition of a fake out because I bought it here thinking, all right, we off and running. We're going over here. But no, that's not quite what happened. I bought it there. Good thing. This is why you scale in. I say this in almost every single one of my videos. If you have 10 grand, you're not going to drop all 10 grand in one shot. You're going to scale it in small lots and positions. So I only bought 100 shares at this point. So it came down, faked me out, sold out, and now I'm holding out some more cash. So when the green dot prints over here, it's going to not be a fake out, hopefully, that's a second confirmation. So, I just keep averaging out until we get to this point. So you see over here, I bought here, got faked out, went down, bought here, got faked out, went down, bought here. But then I would have the average of 1, 2, and 3. So the average of these share prices. And then when it comes here, this is where it's all at right here. This little formation, this cross, how the bubble goes from underneath to the top over here. That's where it's all at. This is money time right here. Money time. You see this? This is when the V. So you over here, this is all consolidation. This whole bubbles down here is all consolidation, as you can see, right? So you bought it over here, bought it over here, bought it over here throughout consolidation. And then that's it. That last green one was your pop. And you see what happened. So this is the same scenario we're trying to catch here. So I'll buy some more here, buy some more here, buy, until I see this cross. And then I'm going to eat and take all that profit. And that's how it's done, people. I usually use the 30-minute chart every single time in order to make my entry. So Aphria, guys, is going to be big news. I think it's going to be the top dog of the cannabis sector. Keep your eyes out. Keep your eyes open and out for it. So, and the bonus stock for my broski is DraftKings. A lot of people like DraftKings out here. Let me see. I don't even know the ticket symbol for it. Let me see. Right there. DKNG. DraftKings Inc. This company was already doing great. And then they went ahead and signed Michael Jordan to invest or be part owner of it. Or, you look it up. Michael Jordan involved. I think he's a shareholder. He has part owner of it. So as soon as Michael Jordan got into it, that's a famous name, that shares jumped even more. But let's see how it's been doing, because this is a baby stock, actually. This is a brand new stock. It just came out and just IPO'd this year, maybe. Let's see if I'm right or not. So DraftKings came out 1st of July, 2019. So it actually came out last year. But so it's only been out for a year. But let's see, it came out then at $9.68. Bro, I hope you're watching this. $9.68 when it first came out. Stayed flatline for a while, then started popping. Then it was supposed to drop, didn't quite do that. Went over here. Week chart. Sold off. Green dot in there. It's hiding. You can see it right there. And then went off. Let's go further down. Go to the zoned in to see what's happening to day charts. You know, this is the day chart. Green dot a while ago. Green dot positive confirmation. 14 December. So let's minimize. Let's go. Because I know I saw something exciting here. That this is the reason why I wanted to print it out right here. This is what I saw. Because I know my bro likes his stocks and I know he wants to build this up. So 2-hour chart, red dot right there. That means, broski, there's going to be opportunity. There's going to be opportunity. This is going to end up falling. So what I say on the day chart I say it was bullish on the day chart, but it's been running. And as you can see, it already hit the top green Bollinger Band. So it's probably going to reverse. It probably will print a red dot here sooner than later, because I feel like this is going to keep carrying out until 3 hours, so on. But 2 hours, your freshest red dot. That was December 17th, 15:30, which is at 3:30 today, guys. 3:30 today got the red dot. So I believe we're going to see a discount on DraftKings sitting at $55.20. So we're probably going to see it. Hopefully, like, this is fair value. You could scoop it up at $51 or $50. And if it goes even lower on bullishness, 47, guys. That first support line is sitting at 45. So you might even see those levels. So keep your eyes wide open. Keep looking at your 30-minute chart to see when you could gain entry. And once you get a green dot, either on the 30-minute or the 15, because I don't like how that looks, honestly. The 15th, maybe. You know, it might start running out before it goes down. But keep your eyes out on that. And like I said, the 2 hours, if you wanted to buy shares, this is what to look at. So, and like I said, a fair value before it bounces up, it'd probably be like $50, $51. So keep that in mind, guys. Hope this helped anybody out there that's an Aphria investor or DraftKings investors. Green Dot Whisperer signing off. Go ahead and get your 4 free stocks on Webull and go ahead and join Chart Champions. All right, guys. See you all. Wish you all good luck and more money. Good night.